welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about some trending products that are happening right now in the month of February 2024. That's right. One of my favorite tools that I use to get Etsy trending topics, products, all things Etsy. So if you go to insightfactory.app, you sign up, you make an account, you're able to see Etsy trends. Once you have your account set up, you're going to go ahead and go to the dashboard and you're going to click on Etsy trends. And you can also connect your Etsy shop as well, which is so cool. So once you click on Etsy trends, you'll see they have different categories for top Etsy trend categories. So you have mock-ups, you have sewing patterns, you have best-selling digital products, you have shirts, you have kids clothing, wedding, jewelry, and more, right? So you have so many different categories, but today we're going to get into clip art and we're going to look at some of the trending clip art things that are happening right now in February 2024. So as we're waiting, we see right, and you have the sort by sales potential. You have your product category, which is on digital, and then beginner friendly trends. You can select that as well. And also the great thing is when you highlight, it'll tell you what you can actually see. And this is a paid tool, so you do have to pay to get Insight Factory. But as you can see, there are a lot of trending things that show up on the first page. And this is if you sort by sales potential. So we have baby dinosaur clip art. We have whimsy clip art. We have quirky dog clip art. We have baby dragon clip art. We have rustic Easter clip art, right? Because we know Easter is right around the corner. So I'm going to go ahead, and what happens is that Etsy will give you a thumbnail, right, of one of the listings that show on the first page. This is totally selected at random. So I'm going to click on baby dinosaur clip art. When you click on baby dinosaur clip art, it's going to tell you how many sales were made. It's going to give you access to all the keywords, titles, and tags, as you can see over here highlighted. And you're able to see how many sales they made for the day. So this helps with a lot of inspo and whatever it is that you want to create. And you can also click on it. So as we can see here, this store made 12 sales today. So you can actually click on this store and see what type of sales they made or what products are selling. And as you can see, it even says here 17 views in the last 24 hours, $3.50. And now you're able to get an idea of what type of baby dinosaur clip art is selling. So cute. Look at these little baby dinosaurs. So that's just one, but you have a whole selection of different trending tools, different trending products that you actually can choose from. Now we have the quirky clip art. I'm going to click on that as well. And let's see what's happening with the quirky clip art. All right. So you can see like these dogs had 20 sales today. These other dogs had 10. And what we could do is we're going to go ahead and click on. Let's click on and see what's happening here. Let's get to know what stores is actually making sales. Okay, so in demand, 3 people brought in the last 24 hours. As you can see, these are watercolor puppy clip art, 300 dog breeds clip art. Everybody loves animals, so look at this. Look at this here. So as you can see, that's another trending product. And now you have whimsy clip art. So we're going to wait to see what whimsy clip art is selling. Let's see. So let's click on this listing right here. Let's see, whimsical old lady clip art. All right, that's another thing that's trending. In demand, 2 people wrote this in the last 24 hours. Look at these trending whimsy old ladies. All right, I love it. This is something great for like greeting cards. You could do so much with these designs. So cool. And let's see, what else? What else do we have? So that's 3. Let's see what's happening with Easter. Easter is right around the corner. Let's see what's going on with Easter. So you still have time, as you can see. People are actually purchasing things for Easter right now. So get ahead of the game and start making your Easter clip art today. So let's see, we got 47 sales on this one item, 12 sales here, 11 sales here. Let's click on this and let's see what type of, it looks like country farmhouse Easter watercolor designs. Okay, nice. I love this. I love the blue. Very different. Look at the bunny with the bow tie. Oh my gosh, so cute. We got Easter clip art. So as you can see, if you want to get in the game, we got Easter clip art as well. And let's see, we got one more, baby dragons. So let's go with baby dragons. And let's see what we have trending today on baby dragons clip art. So far you have 4 out of 5. And this is the last one. And that way you'll have the 5 trending things that are trending right now as of February 2024. And you can start making some sales yourself. So here is another one. You got the baby dragons giving real baby dragon unicorn vibes. But look, 2 people brought this in the last 24 hours. So there you have it. You have 5 trending things, clip art, right, that are trending. We went with baby dinosaur clip art. You have quirky dog clip art. You have whimsy clip art. You have Easter clip art and baby dragon clip art. And the cool thing is you could also sort by competition, but don't tell nobody, because if you sort by competition, these are things that come up where people are searching for, but it's not a whole lot of competition on it. So go ahead and get Insight Factory if you want to be able to see the potential of things that you can sell and what's trending on Etsy. Again, if you like what you hear, you like what you see, subscribe, share, comment, and like. Leave any questions or comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you all. Thank you.